Today we're going to look at how to use a utility trailer to haul and launch your Jon Boat. We're going to talk about some of the issues you're going to have with it. Also, we are going to launch this guy and load this guy using this trailer. So let's do it. First issue with using a utility trailer is the length of it. This is a 10-foot trailer. When you back it down, for most ramps, you're barely going to get the end of the trailer in the water. Versus if you look at that trailer over there, has a huge long tongue to get the boat and the trailer out into the water when you back down. That means you're going to have to climb on the trailer and push the boat off. More than likely, you're not going to get the trailer in the water far enough for it to launch by itself. Number two, there is no winch on the front. So you're going to have to come up with some sort of chain or something to hook it to the front so it doesn't slide off. That means when you're loading your Jon Boat, getting it out of the water, you're going to have to crawl up and manually pull it up onto the trailer, up to the front of the trailer. The next issue, most utility trailers are pretty slick. They don't have bunks like regular boat trailers. There have been many times where I've pulled this guy out of the water. I forgot to chain the bow down and it slid right off the trailer onto the boat ramp. Pretty scary if you still got the motor and everything on it. And on the back end, there's really not a good way to put transom straps down, so it's going to bounce around a lot. The way I get around that is I just put a ratchet strap running across the middle of it. That keeps it down on the trailer, super secure. There's really no good place to put a transom saver. If the motor is in the down position, you're pretty close to the road. The way I manage this is I put it in shallow water position, which is put it in forward, lift it up till it clicks, and that gives me some pretty good clearance to the road. The risk with this though is if you go over a big bump and the motor jumps up, it's gonna fall down just like that. That really hurt your lower end unit or prop. The best thing to do for this is put it in shallow water position and then put a strap over it so there's no risk of it bouncing when you're going down the road. Another problem is there's a lot of weight back here. If you put a lot of weight on the back of the trailer and you go down the interstate, you're going to get that trailer with the back end shaking a lot. It's a big problem with these if you're going with the motor. The way you get around that, if I'm going on a long trip, I'll take the motor off, I'll throw it in the back of the truck, maybe put a blanket down and strap it down so it doesn't slide around the back of the truck. The other problem, submersible tail lights. Most trailers have waterproof, but they're not submersible. You really need to upgrade and get some submersible lighting for the trailer. That is pretty much it. If you guys have any other tips for anybody regarding using a utility trailer to transport and launch your Jon Boat, leave them down in the comments. Appreciate the view. As always, pick up your trash when you're out on the water. You ruin it for everybody. Have a good one. Thanks.